So if I were to go around over here under the grades section, then you can see that this is what I have right here. You can see that I have marks for SA1 and the what do you think assignment right here. I got 85 in this one and 45 in this one, but you do not know the average of these overall grades. So if you want to show the average as well, like in percentage, then what you can do is you can enable that out as well. So to do that, you need to click on the gear icon right here. And once you do that, you need to go around and scroll down. And over here, you can see that overall grade is an option right here. If I were to go around and choose total points, then what I can do is I can go around and save up the settings right here. And you can see the percentage of the student right here, just like this, which is 86.67. And this comes by adding up the marks of SA1 and what you think assignment right here. If I want to go around and show this percentage to the students, then that is possible as well. You need to simply go around and click on the gear icon, and over here you can see that there's total points. So you can go around and show the overall grade to the students right here and hit the save button over here just like this. So once you do that, what happens is that this will be shown to the students as well. And that is how you can go around and show the overall grade percentage inside of Google Classroom.